Ooh, special name, huh?
This is a Santa Cruzan council.
Santa Cruzan Knights of Columbus.
Yes, I know, but this year you have a whole new council. You have a whole new group. So this year it is now, from now on, it's just our own council that'll be there.
Okay,
So
all right.
we have to get, and actually we need to get an image. We would like to get the banner with the image that you use for Santa Cruzan, the one with the cross. The Holy Cross. The Holy Cross.
Yeah.
That's the one we want to put as our banner. And I'm asking that because of the chaplain.
It's like a crusade.
Yes, Father.
Yeah,
That's
kind of like a crusade idea.
Crucified Mark.
Yeah.
No,
Which is very nice and Columbus looking, that's why.
Or a shield or armor.
It's very nice and Columbus. It's who we are.
Wow.
I have a question. Like when we protest the Lady of Manaoag, the ladies may want to bring an image with them along with the banner. Is that allowed?
How's that, Father?
Sure.
I don't know.
Of course, it's procession.
So,
Our Lady of Manaoag's image.
Yeah, no worries. No worries. I leave the roses.
okay.
Any ladies will love it.
That's still
Normal.
It's Marianne's Day.
Normal. You can even bring the grandmother or the mother.
Amen.
Yeah.
The mother of the mother.
Grandpa.
The mother of the mother.
Anyway, we have Methuselah.
You can bring dad too.
We have Methuselah, Mike.
I know.
Okay. Now we really have one of the most important thing too is our fundraising. Fundraiser is the souvenir program, the ads. So we have just selected a few. One of the back and one of the back. How do you call this? Cover. The back cover is taken and the front back inside. That's inside cover. Then we need two more of the 300.
Yeah, Titus there. He did it last year.
Air conditioning guy for ads.
Do you have this?
Right, yes, Titus there.
Get the name.
That will be collecting
Nandun na
from
yun
you
sa ano
guys
siguro.
and we will write
Well, I
down.
just need somebody to get a hold of Titus there and our teacher. Our air conditioning guy.
What I was saying is, as long as you say, save me 3 pages of one page, or 3 pages of one half,
Kunin mo ata
whatever.
yung pangalan.
I'm trying to get Max's attention. So you can
We're doing the formatting is not that easy.
Yeah.
And we have to lay out. I want to market that we have a colored souvenir program. Not everyone has a colored souvenir program.
Oh, please.
Yeah, no problem.
And anyone that is sponsoring our donors or for food and everything when they want to, their names will be here too.
This is my step model.
Anybody that donating.
Air conditioning. Now, what is the condition of the advertisement, the souvenir program?
AIR.
Okay.
Update.
Update. How many are
He's in there. He's in there.
subscribers and advertisers already? How many
This is
more
what
do
I'm
you need?
saying. The front here is taken already.
The front is
Yes.
taken by front
By-
the back, front inside.
cover.
Front inside.
Front back cover.
Because you say front, that is the front.
Back
Yeah.
cover.
The back cover and the back inside.
Back inside.
Inside.
This one we're still selling with one group to get the 300, but this one is already taken.
Okay. Okay. No problem.
And we have only few of the 1.5 and 1.
Oh, check with Mindy. Did Mindy tell you about the festival committee we're buying?
I'm taking one page for... Which one?
The festival.
One page
I have
for
a
St.
picture of that
Christopher. There
everybody.
you go.
Okay, Mindy has the mine.
Okay.
Like, remember, we all gave that night.
Oh,
Because I reserved the pictures before it is.
how much is the one page? How much is 1/2 page? How much is the
One
1/4
page.
When we send this out with, I gave you invitation, I gave you something.
No, for the committee to know.
They do have, everybody was distributed.
For father's information, because he talks to people.
Yeah.
He just needs to
Father, I
know.
gave you.
Lou. 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 For this information, how much?
Too much. You already gave me the proof. I already have the proof.
Okay.
In other words, somebody has to report.
For purposes of reference. Hindi, sabihin lang para ano, kasi
$100 per page?
people, okay? I'm not yet giving them the
Application.
I just approach it. Would you like to advertise? How much? I must have a
Full page, the whole is
40.
We have said on May 18th, Father, but usually we extend that until the next one in June, because we really want to get more.
160, 40, 30.
And then we have it on 27.
Okay.
Okay.
Kasi last Sunday in the announcement, it was not flashed on the screen. It says in the announcement the advertisement as flashed in the screen. They don't know.
Mark,
Naka-flash po!
they needed some flash.
Yes!
Last Sunday, according to Father, it was not flash.
Last Sunday, hindi po. Pero previous Sunday.
That's what I was telling.
Yeah. Last Sunday.
Flash, and it was announced. They didn't know.
Because all of them approached us after the Holy Mass.
Okay.
That's how you practice good.
Yeah, we're getting up there, so.
And you should have a table outside. Ambush people.
Yeah, just so there's
Filipino way.
Kasi po yung sinabihan sa amin na i-flash ngayong linggo, bagong slide. But previous week, yung ads po ang naka-flash po.
Want me to report?
Yes, please.
According to our attendance, merong ads dito from Greg.
England.
Initially 2 pages, from Mark 2 pages, and the rest
Wala.
2 pages.
Now here, 1 page is Letty from St. Christopher.
Okay.
Take care.
We do have, I was able to get the Bobbin Park Council. We have $300. We also have.
Do you have their check? Don't give them anything unless they pay a check. Have they paid?
They will pay.
Have they paid? No.
Terry Mew says she's ready working it out. It will take 45 days.
They don't show up with their checks. Be very careful with the council. We're waiting for them from another event. Seriously, don't put something in unless you have cash. Make that a rule for yourself. They get mad, let them deal with. Tell them that cash on hand. Seriously.
Really?
It's just a warning, because you're not going to see that check. We've been finding this out lately. That's a little advice to you.
Wow.
But even Terry told me of today. He said she's already half awarded the statement and the works are to be.
Make sure she clarifies. Make sure you get that in writing. Get it in writing. Seriously, for your own. Yeah. But now on, anytime you deal with our council, get it in writing. Otherwise, you won't see any money.
Okay.
Sorry, just a little warning.
Yeah, well, that's good. That's good.
Lesson learned. Thank you.
Okay, good. So Max, I have the Walmart and I already have something in here. Can you perhaps just get in touch with them? With
They have great numbers.
Yeah.
All right, thank you, ladies. Thank you for
the pictures are there. You just have to get the
She
formation.